Reema Lagoo was an Indian theatre and screen actress known for her work in Hindi and Marathi cinema. She began her acting career in the Marathi theatre, after which she became a household name for playing motherly roles in the 1990s and early 2000s.
Smita Jaikar is an Indian actress known for playing supporting roles in Bollywood movies and TV shows. She is currently working on a theatrical adaptation of Devdas with Ashwin Gidwani Productions. A native of the Thakuradwar neighborhood in South Mumbai, she is a Maharashtrian.
Ratna Pathak Shah is an Indian actress and director known for her work in Hindi theatre, television and films. Her extensive work in theatre includes a series of plays in both English and Hindi. She rose to prominence when she appeared in the hit TV serial Idhar Udhar in the 1980s. She is the wife of Nasiruddin Shah. One of the most loved and respected personalities in Bollywood, Jaya Bachchan also makes it to our list of best on-screen mothers of all time. While she started her career as the main lead, she quit films post-marriage. However, she returned for motherly characters and made her mark in films like Kal Ho Na Ho, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and Fiza. Jaya Bachchan is an Indian actress and politician. She is a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha from the Samajwadi Party, serving 4 terms since 2004.
The coolest of all moms in Bollywood history is Kiran Kher. Remember her role in Dostana or Hum Tum? Her typical Punjabi mom avatar doesn't only please the audience but also make them desire if their moms too were as cool as her. Some of her notable appearances as a mother were in films like Devdas, Main Ho Na, Khoobsurat, Rang Di Basanti and Fana. Kiran Anupam Kher is an Indian politician, theatre, film and television actress, television personality, singer, entertainment producer, and a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In May 2014, she was elected to the Lok Sabha, the lower house of Indian Parliament from Chandigarh.
Aruna Irani is an Indian actress who has acted in over 500 films throughout Hindi, Kannada, Marathi and Gujarati cinema, playing mostly supporting and character roles. Aruna Irani began her career donning character roles even when she was young. As she grew older, she started getting offers for motherly characters in the 90s and later years. She created her own identity as Indian mother and often played grey shades in films like Beta, for which she also won a Filmfare Award. While playing some comic roles here and there, she constantly played motherly roles in some of the notable movies like Raja Babu, Doodh Ka Karj, and Suhag. One of the notable appearances in a motherly avatar was also witnessed in Yash Chopra's Dil To Pagal Hai, where she plays the elderly dance teacher of the female lead Madhuri Dixit. She was the Johra Jabeen in the song from the film Waqt, where she plays an unfortunate mother who loses everyone except one child after an earthquake. Besides Waqt, she has worked in many different films either as a mother or grandmother. Her notable appearances other than Waqt include Arzu, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. If there is a title of Best Bollywood Mom in Hindi cinema, then the title would be bestowed upon Nirupa Roy. She was the first option for the role of mother in almost every film of the 70s and 80s. She has been the real-life mother of Amitabh Bachchan for more than a decade. As praise for excellent character portrayal of an Indian mother, she was credited with the title of Queen of Misery.
The Mausiji of the epic Hindi film Sholay, Leela Mishra was also one of the notable character actors during the classic era of Bollywood. While she portrayed the roles of an aunt more than a mother, she often had the tone and persona of an Indian mother of the 70s. Besides Sholay, some of her notable appearances include Amar Prem, Mehbooba, Nadia Ke Paar, Baaton Ne Mein, and Geet Gata Chal. After Nirupa Roy, it was Sulochana Latkar who was cast as a mother during the 70s and 80s. Similar to Nirupa Roy, Sulochana Latkar also portrayed the roles of either a widowed mother of the main lead in the films who has experienced a lot of atrocities and miseries in life. Some of her notable appearances include Mazboor, Mukaddar Ka Sikandar, Asha, and Johnny Mera Naam.